Okay, hi everybody. So I have a couple samples here in paper for your cuff bracelet because I'm obviously not here. I hope you guys had a great break and I hope to see you sooner than later. So for your cuff, there's a lot of ways you can approach designing a bracelet that goes around your arm. So a cuff bracelet, I want you to understand, is not something that goes completely around. That's called a bangle. A cuff is those ones that look like a C from the PowerPoint that you just maybe saw yesterday. So there's a couple ways you can go about this. You want to have multiple layers, and as you can see, each color represents a different type of metal. So the orange is going to be copper, and the brass is going to be this yellow color. So I'm going to go over this one first. So say I wanted to do something that had a lot of negative space in it, so you could see the copper underneath it, and then I also wanted to cut into parts and pull it up, but not actually make it disconnect. So this is something new. So if you were looking at this and you had a design like that, can you see how these come up like that where they're cut? You would do that with your metal, okay? And the way that you pull it up and change the shape of it would be you would take pliers and you would actually just kind of pull it up in different directions depending on how you want to do it. So when you bent it, it would actually be coming off of the surface. Okay, so to connect two pieces like this, because they're relatively flat, you could actually rivet them first before you went and bent the piece of metal. And you're going to see that in a demo later, but just so you know. So if I have this piece cut out in copper, and then I have this cut out in brass, and I've filed, sanded everything, patina, done everything I want to do to it, stamped it, these little circles are little stamp marks, put designs on it, I would be ready to drill my holes to rivet it. And where these holes are going to go is right here, right here, right here, and right here. And I'm going to drill through both materials at the same time. Then I'm going to rivet it before I even bend it. And I'm going to show you how to bend it in a different video. So that would be how you would do something like that. The next one, this is a lot more organic. There's a lot more going on. This is your base one, and it would be bent like that, and you'd kind of wear it like this. So you wouldn't really be able to rivet this ahead of time. So you'd have to kind of cut these pieces out individually. So my base one is copper, and you can see it's a really organic form, okay? Then I have this, and maybe this is a patinaed copper color because it's purple. So then I'm gonna line it up, and I would bend these pieces first, and then kind of try to figure out where I should put the holes. Thank you.